So these are talking about normal distributions, and the thing that we're going to pay attention to is when they talk about less than, right? So in 73 they talk about less than, and in 74 they talk about larger than. And if we look at the note here, basically when you look up the proportion on either the table or from your calculator, and you get a proportion of 15, like so for like this example in the box, right? If we choose z equals negative 1.0, the proportion given is 0.1587, and the interpretation is that 15.87% of the values are less than the corresponding value, and 84.13% are greater. So when we're looking at a question that has less than, right, then we can just go ahead and use the proportion as it's calculated, right? And so whatever technique you want to use, whether you want to use a table, we're going to say that z is equal to 1.15, right? And the proportion that we're given is 0.8749. And this is answer choice C, right? And there's not a whole lot that you need to do there because it fits, because we're looking at the values that are less than that. And so roughly like 87.5% of the values would be less than that. Now in 74, right, what we're going to do, because we want larger than, right, we're going to take the complement of the proportion, right? So we do 1 minus the proportion, right? That's going to equal the proportion larger than the z-score. And the given z. So the first step is we take our z value that's given to us of negative 0.75, and we're given a proportion of 0.2266, right? But this is the proportion that's less than negative 0.75, so when we want the proportion that's greater than that, we do 1 minus 0.2266. We get 0.7734, right? Which is answer choice C. So the answer is 74, answer is 73.